Welcome once again to our Kucht kitchen. We're going to talk today about how to keep your unit clean and looking youthful through the years. It is important for you to wipe your range after each use with a simple sponge that you might have around in your kitchen, a non-abrasive one preferably. After a big meal or each holiday, it is important to clean the oven cavity and your oven racks. So if you have regular and easy detachable oven racks, you can soak them in your kitchen sink with some just pouches from the dishwasher, and they will be clean and neat the next morning. If you happen to have the telescopic racks, you can mix equal parts of baking soda, vinegar and water. Brush them with a paintbrush, let them sit overnight, and wipe them the next morning. They will be looking brand new.